So our bookstore signing today is actually at the Quantum Leap Winery, which is a really cool venue. You can check out where they make the wine in there, and we're gonna mix and mingle with some followers that came to see us, and more people will be trickling in soon. So let's go find Adam, who's drinking some wine already.
How you going, mate?
Good. I'm starting with cider. Which cider is this? Well, that's really nice.
Yeah.
Sign me up.
So I am thrilled to introduce Stephanie, Adam, and they're going to give a little rundown about their book.
Thank you. Hey guys. Hi. Steph and I have a YouTube channel, COOKBOOK, and it was started 4 years ago when Steph was in college.
I started my YouTube channel, it was just called Chef Steph.
Chef Steph.
And I was actually in college and cooking a lot and teaching myself how to cook, and all of my friends were eating out all the time and getting really unhealthy, like, you know, college kids, pizza every night kind of thing. I actually have a master's degree in music, not cooking. And when I came home from college, I started doing some music things, but what I really wanted to do was be on YouTube and teach people how to cook. Then I met Adam about 2 years into my YouTube career, and he was a personal trainer and a professional chef, and I was a self-taught chef, and I was like, wow, this is really cool. You fit right into what I'm doing on my channel.
While that's happening with Steph, I'm back in Australia. From Australia. G'day guys, how's it going? And yeah, so I've been overweight all my life, was bullied as a kid for being overweight, and I ended up becoming a chef. And living the chef lifestyle, you know, isn't very flattering. You eat a lot of bad food, and I put a lot of weight after I left high school. And one day I started to just do it, just get it done and get fit and get healthy. And in 6 months I lost 70 pounds. And it was just through healthy eating. And so being a chef, like, I have the tools to cook, and part of my belief system is that the thing that stops people from getting healthy is just the cooking part of it. Like, you feel like you don't know what to do, you don't know what to cook, you don't know how to cook it, and so you never really make that step. So I was doing that back in Australia, and then through that, losing all that weight, I became a personal trainer as well. Left chefing, became a personal trainer, really wanted to get personal people and help them on their journey. And then met Steph, she has this channel, we hit it off, we Skyped for 3 months.
And not really well.
Yeah, and then Skyped for 3 months, I quit my job and flew to America to meet Steph for the first time. We are in Orlando, Florida, and I'm here with my good man Don. Don, thanks for being here, my friend.
My pleasure, thank
and
you.
so, Don was telling me a little bit about his story, and Don, I want you to just tell your family, I guess, in your own words, how you came across us and what it's been like for you doing the prep and everything.
No, absolutely, no, thank you. So, my story is kind of similar to Steph's. I grew up, was heavy set, you know, found it difficult to lose weight. I was in sports, but never really got to the opportunity to really get to be thin, like I really wanted to.
Yeah.
And so several years ago, I really just decided I'm gonna make a decision. I'm gonna eat better, make sure that I can take my food and prep it the way that I wanted to. But I didn't really know where to turn. So I was on YouTube one day and happened to come across this cool video, and it was you and Steph on there, and I'm just like, I figured I'd check it out, and you guys just broke it down so simple. I'm just like, wow, like, this is stuff you can buy at the grocery store. Like, I don't have to subscribe to some sort of food prep or anything like that. Like, I can do this myself. And so I did. 1 year, I lost 60 pounds. And
That's awesome, man. Congrats, man. That's awesome. That's so good.
So, you know, I'm still working on that and just modifying it every day and just working out. But yeah, it was fantastic.
That's great. And what would be your go-to recipe? What's your favorite one right now?
Ooh, I love the tilapia and broccoli and rice. That was so good. It was like just so simple. You just put it in the foil. You just let it go. And then the cauliflower rice is actually really good too. I used to let it brown rice, but now I found that the cauliflower actually gets a little bit of a break from rice.
Yeah, it's a little bit different.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Yeah. Well, man, thank you so much for being here, and nice to meet you, my friend. And
nice to meet you.
wish you all the best for your journey.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Cheers.
so great to talk to everyone, and we're so grateful to Quantum Leap Winery. You guys should check it out. And
and the Writer's Block Bookstore. Yes, if you guys are in Florida and you missed us, you want to get a signed copy of the book, head down to the Writer's Block Bookstore.
And they'll be there.
We'll put a link below if you want to check that out. And if you want to check out some really cool, like, organic and, you know, eco-friendly wine, and you want to come and learn all about this, definitely really come here. It's a treat to come here. I loved it. I had some aside. It was great. Yeah. Yeah. So thanks to all the people that made this possible.
Thanks, Orlando.
And thanks, Orlando.
We're coming to New Orleans tomorrow. Bye, guys. Just kidding. We're still in Orlando. Somehow we ended up in Disney.
We ended up in Disney.
It's after 9, but we just ended up in Disney Springs.
That's it, Disney Springs. You follow the GPS to some place you wanted to come eat at, and turns out it's in Disney. We're in Disney.
No, have you ever been to Rainforest Cafe?
A lot of places. What's that?
Oh, you would love it, dude. It's like Australia. It's like a rainforest, and there's like animals and like noises.
Look at the
Dragon Man level. Lego. Lego.
Look at him. It's you, Grumpy, right there. What? That's you. Grumpy.
No way. Hi ho.
This is Nick.
Hi
right
ho.
Who's that?
I don't know, but look at his.
What's up, Nick?
Alright, yeah,
Yo.
I'll take it.
How's it going? Where's Sleepy? That ain't me. Yeah, you're sleeping for sure, bro.
Dragon's face.
What the heck?
Oh my god,
This is next level. How did we even get here? How did we even get to Disney?
So not planned.
Like, we're gonna go home, get ready to leave, like pack the car. We ended up at Disney. What? Crazy, man, crazy. It's Buzz and Woody, mate, and the RV car thing.
Let me take a picture in front of you with Mom.
Okay. Next with Woody and beyond. Woo! Whoa, T-Rex. Don't chop the dinosaur, Daddy. Say that for me. Say it. Say, don't chop the dinosaur, Daddy.
What's that from?
Say it.
Oh.
What the heck is this? What the heck is this? What is this? Guys. Oh my god. Have you seen it? It's ginormous.
Exercise? I thought you said extra fries.
Whoa. Eat veggies, not friends. Oh my god. What is life? Seriously right now, what is life? We found the bakery, guys. We found it. We found it. Is it all vegan?
Everything is.
Everything's vegan?
Everything is vegan, oh my god.
Yes.
Want everything? What is life right now, Nicholas James? What is life?
What are we gonna do? I don't even know how to.
We're gonna sit outside and we're just gonna take it in, okay? We're gonna take it in. Oh my god, look at this.
Thank you.
If I can focus it.
Everything is vegan, gluten-free, soy-free, kosher. This place is amazing.
This place is amazing. You wanna take me and my cone outside? Oh my god.
Bye.
Bye. Sitting right here. You're not going nowhere.
Sitting right here.
Sitting right here. You didn't film me. You didn't film me.
Sorry, ready?
You missed it. You missed it. I already had my first bite.
Try it. Oh wow, look at that caramel.
This is next.
I'm sorry, say it again.
I said this is next level.
Ah, it's next level, brah. Ah, amazing. And what else is really cool? This lady started this place because she actually started in New York City, but she started it because of all the kids who don't get to have sweet treats because they have allergies. So it's really cool that she's accommodating all the kids who don't get to have fun things sometimes. Right. That's really nice. And everybody who just has allergies, which is really cool, like us.
Like us, with I get to eat ice cream.
Yay!
I'm a big boy now. Ah! I was not expecting that. Ah!
Oh my god! Kids are screaming.
Ah! Hey Gator! Hi! Hi, hello, hi! Why can't we be friends? Whoa! Hey! Hey, pal! Hey, look at that fella! Hey, buddy! Hey, buddy! Hi! Oh, look at him! Dora! Hi!